Hello everyone, welcome to Asulta Prediction. I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers. This is a general reading. If it resonates, that's good. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers. One important thing, guys, is this is the reading for Geminis for the month of June 2020 on basically four different topics: romance, career, relationship, and finance. Okay, so I tried to cover all the topics basically because from last 2 weeks I was doing on different topics. Okay, so this time I thought ki why not I should do cover all the topics. Okay, one important thing, guys, if you want to support my channel with the help of donation, the donation link is given in the description box below. Via Google Pay and PayPal you can donate. I'll be appreciating it. And second most important thing, guys, if you want to join one-to-one personal reading with me related to career, relationship, situationship, you can book on personal reading. The details are given in the description box below. Third most important thing, guys, is that if you want to join my workshop, the 10 days and 15 days workshop via WhatsApp video call and Skype video call for numerology as well as tarot learning, you can join in me and you can enroll with the details given in the description box below. Okay, and there are few free, like not free but mini personal readings. Okay, that is just a 12 card spread reading, full reading at an affordable price. There were a lot of messages I was receiving to reduce the price, so I introduced a few new best deals for tarot trading. Whichever suits you, you can book the session related to it. There is mini full reading as well, so you can register and enroll for the same. Okay, and last important thing, guys, is that if you want to be a part of a soul giveaway, you can. The details are given in the description box below. And yeah, that's it. And yeah, you can be a part of Facebook live sessions as well. Daily I am doing live sessions between 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. Indian Standard Time, so you can be a part of it. Okay, and whatever tarot decks I am using, it is given in the description box below. And yeah, so the tarot deck which I am using is the original White Rider tarot deck, and the second one is the mind body and the mind body makeover cards. Okay, so this is the universal cards, oracle cards. Okay, so you can check it out. Okay, so yeah, kindly like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. Okay, do not forget. Okay, okay, so I pulled out four cards. Okay, for the romance I have communication card, movement, some sort of movement, traveling or communication. For career we have two of cups, happiness, joyous feeling in your career, moving forward towards it. And for relationship we have four of wands, that is a marriage card. Okay, guys, coming together, reconciling, reuniting. And for finance we have the hermit, stuck energy in your finance. Okay, so let me clarify the romance area. Acha, one important thing, take whichever part resonates with you and leave the rest. Okay, whichever area you are more concerned about, take that particular part. Okay, like if you are concerned about romance, take that part. If you are concerned about career, take that part. Okay, so this topic might not be resonating with every one of you. So take whatever suits you and leave the rest. Okay, so yes. Let me pull out first all the cards. Okay, so for romance, it's like you're releasing all the baggage in your romantic love life. You are releasing, if you were not satisfied with your romantic love life, so you're releasing all those energies, burdens, and you're feeling some sort of movement. If I think if you are in a separation, if your partner is in a separation or something like that, that you want to communicate with them, you feel like communicating with them, you feel like traveling towards them, you feel like you have to be victorious when it comes to your romantic love life, okay? And yeah, someone wants to offer a cup of love towards you, and I feel, you know, you're rejecting it, or else you are feeling that you're not interested right now. Something like that is happening for you. Yeah, your romantic life is very weird. Like, you know, you have a very weird energy in your romantic love life, okay? So yeah. So for career, you are juggling between two choices, two decisions, two directions. Yeah, you are being patient enough with your career, and in your career has a tarot moment. That means whatever, you know, you are going through some internal transformation, internal changes, internal conflicts, okay? Yes. Yes, internal conflicts, demolishing of a bad cycle, bad situation, and establishing of a good cycle, good situation, okay? So career, if you were stuck up with your career life, okay, so that karmic cycle is getting coming to an end, and a new cycle is beginning, okay? New cycle is coming. And yeah, there are a lot of changes, lot of new opportunity, major shifts are happening for you in your career life, okay? There might be a new job, new business, whatever, something new is coming in your career life, okay? Yes. Let's talk about your relationship. Those who are single, you know, there might be an offer of marriage to you know, coming in your life, okay? Or those who are already married, okay, so some sort of walking away is there, okay? Like, you know, there are few couples who are not happy into their married life, okay? So they feel like, you know, one of the person wants to get away from this situation of this marriage, okay? And yeah, they are regaining their power back, okay? So yeah, okay. And yeah, there are people, okay? So there are three energies in relationship I'm picking up on. So there are one single parts, those who are single, offers of marriage might come into your life, okay? There are married couples who are already married, who are, you know, currently together. So, you know, someone feels like walking away from this marriage, okay? Someone wants to begin their new life, okay, alone. And and the third energy is that those who are into a separation, those who are married but separated currently, living in two different locations, okay? So a sort of reconciliation, reunion is taking place for you, okay? And there also I'm picking up that there might be a third party situation as well in some of you, in few parts of Gemini's, okay? Third party situation in the sense that a part of family, a part of a new lover, might be a third party situation, okay? So yeah, very strange energy, but yeah, at the end everything will go well, okay? So those who are single will get married, or, you know, might say yes to the marriage. Those who wants to walk away, they will begin with their new life, okay? The third is the person who wants to reconcile, reunite, okay? So a lot of happiness, joyous feelings will be there for those Geminis, okay? Like relationship will be on a brighter level, because you will start something new with your partner, okay? So yeah, a past might come into your life, okay? So yeah, three energies are going on separately in the relationship sector, okay? So be aware, guys, okay? Just be careful, what are you supposed to do, okay? Yeah, whatever stuck energy you had into a relationship, okay, all those relationship like all those stuck energy you're releasing into your life, okay? Because you are regaining your power back, and you are ready to take an action towards it, whatever you feel like, and you want to offer a cup of love towards someone, or someone wants to come towards you with an offer of love, okay? So yeah, that's really good, okay? So release all the stuck energy, confused energy, because there are three different energies, guys, I'm picking up on this relationship area. So take it however it resonates, okay? So I think, you know, few of the next 30% of the people will be single who wants to get married, 30% of the people who wants to get away from this relationship, and 30% rest of the people wants to reconcile with their partner again, who are into separation, married but separated, in a relationship but separated, okay? So yeah, so like you have different energies over here, okay? And the other 2% of the part wants to, you know, make an offer of love towards you, okay? So yeah, something like that is definitely happening, okay? So take whichever part you resonates with the most. Okay, so yes guys, okay, let me check out what's going on with your finances are stuck. Okay, you have a sad energy, worried energy, you're releasing all this sadness, worries, because I think you are going through internal transformation, internal healing. Universe is guiding you with something more better in your finances. Okay, a lot of new opportunities are coming. Yeah, though the stuck energy which you had in your finances, okay, are coming to an end. Those are ending. You are self analyzing yourself. You are regaining your power to know yourself better, on a better level. You are going for self love, self healing. Yeah, whatever stuck energy you had in your finances, I think those finances, uh, those stuck energy in your finances are coming to an end. Okay, and you are analyzing more on yourself, like what are you supposed to do, how you want to move forward, what you need to do. Okay, and you are focusing more on your stability, independence, stability, money. Okay, yeah, and you're focusing on more on, like, universe wants to tell you that focus on something which gives you equal give and take. Like if you are into job, equal pay should be there. Okay, like if you are putting a lot of hard work and you are not getting whatever you want, okay, so do not go for that particular job. Go for a job where there is equal give and take. There has to be a balanced situation when it comes to your finances. Okay, money, equal give and take in money, in your finances. Okay, so yeah, you are releasing all those stuck energy, and now you are focusing more on your career life, more on your finances, how to be more stable. And I think a lot of offers will be coming into your upcoming weeks when it comes to your finances. Okay, so once this healing, hoping, believing, this cycle comes to an end, okay, your relationship will be better, your finances would be more better, you will be more stable, you will be focusing on your stability more, you will be giving your 100% to yourself. Okay, like self love would be the first criteria for this month for you. Okay, believing in yourself, loving yourself first, and then doing the rest of the things. Okay, so that's the best energy. Yeah, and once you do that, your wish will get fulfilled. Okay, and lot of offers will be coming into your life. New beginning will be there when it comes to your finances. All the stuck energy, whatever money was on hold, it will be released for you, Geminines. Okay, so yeah, that's the best part, guys. Okay, so let me pull out 3 cards from the universe. These are the healing messages from the universe, what universe would like to tell you. Okay, healing messages. Okay, I am picking up randomly. I hope I have covered all the 4 areas. Comment down below. Okay, the first one is on self-esteem, the second one is on sadness, healing sadness, and the third one is on healing anger. Okay, so the first message from the universe is healing self-esteem. Okay, I now release any repetitive patterns that bind, limit, or restrict my growth and evaluation. Okay, so that means that universe wants you to try something new, take a risk, take a leap of faith, and start and begin something new, because new opportunities are waiting for you. Do not go with the same old patterns. Try to bring on something new in life, modifications, new transformation, changes. Okay, yes, the second message is to heal sadness. If you're sad, okay, things are happening as they should around me. Okay, so just trust on the universe and heal yourself. Okay, believe in the universe. Healing message for anger. I love myself unconditionally. I accept both my strengths and my flaws. Even though I love myself just as I am, I accept the parts of myself that need to change and grow. Okay, so there has to be some changes done into your life. The transformation has to be done within yourself. So universe is trying to tell you, change, accept your flaws, and grow with it. Okay, so that's the best beautiful message for you guys. Okay, so yeah, I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers, and guys, kindly like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel Vasool Tarot Prediction, and comment down below how was this reading. Okay, for you guys. Okay guys, bye bye.